हेलो ऑल, वेलकम टू टेक्स्ट बुक सुपर कोचिंग एंड सेबी का फाइनली नोटिफिकेशन आ चुका है। शॉर्ट नोटिफिकेशन सेबी ने पहले अनाउंस कर दिया था। नाउ दे गिवन द डिटेल नोटिफिकेशन विथ एग्जाम डेट्स एंड विच इज वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट। सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट इट directly straightforward. So from the June 11 means from the Tuesday they are going to start their application forms as well as the payment which is online. So till the June 30th 30 जून तक ये फॉर्म की डेट इन्होंने मेंशन की हुई है जो यहाँ पे अवेलेबल रहेगा. सो रिमेंबर दैट. सो June 11 to June 30th will be the form date, which is really very important. Now the exams, the phase 1 of SEBI will be on the July 27th. A very very important factor now again for the exam point of view. July 27th will be the phase 1 of SEBI. When it comes to phase 2, except information technology ka paper 2, okay, IT, if you are giving the exam from the IT stream, so paper 2 of the IT, except that the rest of the exam or the rest of the streams phase 2 will be August 31st. When it comes to the information technology, paper 2 will be on the September 14th, which is mentioned by the SEBI. And interview dates obviously will come later on. What will be the interviews, they will let you know, because it will be not for everyone on the same date. It will be depending on the area to area. So anyways, so total vacancy, which was already mentioned by the SEBI earlier, that 62 vacancies for the general stream, 62 vacancies, in which education qualification is a master's degree, postgraduate diploma of minimum 2 years in any discipline, or bachelor's degree in engineering, recognized university, account, chartered financial analyst, company secretary, or the cost account. So this is the criteria. So master's degree in any discipline, or the bachelor specifically in the engineering, or the chartered accounts, or the company secretary, etc. So in that way they have mentioned regarding the general stream 62 vacancies are there. When it comes to the other streams, so vacancies, when it comes to legal 5 vacancies are there. यहाँ पे desirable experience की बात की है कि 2 years का post qualification experience होना चाहिए, desirable है. Okay. And then information technology, they are having a very good vacancy this time for information technology. 24 vacancies mentioned by the SEBI over here. Again, bachelor's degree from engineering in any branch, or the bachelor's degree in discipline with the postgraduate qualification of minimum 2 years duration in computer science. So that is another point they have mentioned. Then research 2 vacancies are there. Then when it comes to the official language, 2 vacancies are there regarding the official language. So master's degree in Hindi, translation with English, or the master's degree in Sanskrit, English, economics, commerce with Hindi as a subject and the bachelor's degree level, or master's degree in English, हिंदी ट्रांसलेशन फ्रॉम द रिकॉग्नाइज्ड यूनिवर्सिटी. ये भी बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट पोस्ट, अगर आपके पास ऐसी कोई डिग्री है तो बिल्कुल आप इसमें फिल कीजिएगा. देन इंजीनियरिंग इलेक्ट्रिकल, यहां पे भी 2 वैकेंसीज मेंशन की गई है. So vacancies obviously the same which they have mentioned in the short notification, but the dates is the most important concept for here. Now reservations like EWS, the same way, there will be 10% reservation for the EWS. Then disabilities, these conditions are mentioned over here. Yes, again the most important thing, if candidates are permitted to apply maximum 2 streams only for which he or she is eligible to apply. Okay, suppose you are engineering background and having the computers as your master, so you can go for the IT as well as you can go for the general. आप दोनों के लिए एग्जाम दे सकते हो. So one candidate can go for the 2 streams, maximum 2 streams के लिए आप जा सकते हो अगर आप eligible हो तो. ये पॉइंट मेंशन किया गया है. In case candidate applies more than once in a single stream, or applies for more than 2 streams, only the latest application shall be considered valid and the other application shall be rejected. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि कोई पहला फॉर्म आपने गलत फिल कर दिया तो आप वापस उसी स्ट्रीम का दूसरा फॉर्म फिल करते हो, जो लेटेस्ट होगा वही एक्सेप्ट होगा, पुराना रिजेक्ट ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाएगा. एंड इफ यू आर गोइंग फॉर द मोर देन 2 स्ट्रीम्स, तो जो लेटेस्ट है उसी को एक्सेप्ट करेंगे, बाकी सबको वो डिस्कार्ड कर देंगे. ये भी पॉइंटर मेंशन किया गया है. रिक्वेस्ट फॉर चेंज करेक्शन इन एनी पर्टिकुलर इन द एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म, or once the application form is submitted, will not be entertained under any circumstances. No correspondence, phone, email will be entertained in this regard. Candidates are advised to fill up the online application carefully and furnish the correct information in the application. Most important thing, फॉर्म फिल करते वक्त बहुत सारे लोग गलतियां करते हैं, देन दे आर ईमेलिंग देम, देन दे आर कॉलिंग देम. Clearly they have mentioned that they are not going to entertain anyone regarding this, चाहे any circumstances, then any circumstances they are not going to entertain. So form fill करते वक्त ध्यान से fill कीजिएगा. Then the second point, third point is the officers required any stream may be posted to any department of SEBI irrespective of streams, and they may be posted and transferred to any location where SEBI has its office. So पहले ही क्लियर कर दिया, बिकॉज सिलेक्शन के बाद काफी लोग इसमें इश्यूज क्रिएट करते हैं, तो दे मेंशन दैट कि वो कहीं भी ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं और किसी भी डिपार्टमेंट में आपको भेज सकते हैं. कैंडिडेट्स हु हैव अपीयर्ड फॉर द फाइनल एग्जामिनेशन are eligible to appear phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 of selection process. However, the offer to join SEBI to the selected candidate shall be subject to production of necessary documents, evidences successfully obtaining to requisite the qualification. So phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 आपने सारी फेजेस क्लियर कर ली. जब तक डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन सही से नहीं होता है तब तक आपका फाइनल सिलेक्शन नहीं होगा, ऐसा उन्होंने मेंशन किया. लगभग सारे एग्जाम में सेम ही क्राइटेरिया होता है. द डेट ऑफ पासिंग ऑफ एलिजिबल एग्जामिनेशन विल बी द डेट अपीयरिंग ऑन द मार्कशीट एंड द प्रोविजनल सर्टिफिकेट इशूड. कई बार होता है कि डेट होती है कि आपने एग्जाम कब पास की, उसका डेट होता है, तो आपके मार्कशीट पे जो डेट है दैट डेट विल बी कंसिडर्ड. यही पॉइंट यहां पे मेंशन किया गया है, तो वहां थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखिएगा, नहीं तो दिक्कत होती है, प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, और कई बार इसके चक्कर में इंटरव्यू से काफी लोगों को फिर वापस भेजा जाता है. When it comes to age limit must not exceed 30 years on the March 31st, 2024. Okay, so born or are after 1st of April 1994, that is a point which is mentioned. ये point यहाँ पे mention किया गया है. So very crucial again for the exam point of view. Upper age limit, there are some exemptions like 5 years for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, then 3 years exemption for the OBC. Again, OBC non-creamier is required. The non-creamier certificate is required. If that certificate is not there, then there will be a problem. Again, this certificate is from the center, not from the state. Remember that. That is also a very important factor. Now, mode of selection, everyone knows about that. There are no as such big changes over here. So, mode of changes, phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3. Phase 3 is all about the interview. Phase 1 consists of 2 papers. So, that will be on the 27th of July, which they have mentioned. An online screening examination consists of 2 papers on the 27th of July. So, paper 1 for all streams, yeah, it will be common. Then general awareness, including the some questions of financial sector, easy to moderate difficult level. Then okay, so easy to moderate, very easy GA, mostly current affairs and the financial part, and then English language, QA and reasoning. So total 100 marks, 60 minutes, 30% cutoff. Cutoff is already mentioned. What cutoff they want, 30%. So that is the case. Then paper 2 for general stream, multiple choice questions from the commerce, accountancy, management, finance, costing, companies act and economics. Again, maximum marks 100, duration 40 minutes and 40% cutoff will be there. If you are from the legal stream, research stream, engineering, official language stream, information technology, obviously the question will be from US stream. आपके stream वाले questions यहाँ पे रहेंगे. So paper 2, you have 2 choices over there, general stream as well as the specialist stream. Again, remember that 100 marks, 60 minutes, 40 minutes, 30% cutoff, 40% cutoff, and there is also aggregate and overall cutoff is also there. So 40% is the overall cutoff which is mentioned by them. Negative marking 1/4 like any other. So there shall be negative marking 1/4 marks assigned to the questions for the phase 1 and paper 1, paper 2 of phase 1. There shall be cutoff of minimum 30% for phase 1 and 40% for phase 2, which we have already discussed. After this, the phase 2 will come. Again, the online examination, paper 1, okay, all streams, English descriptive. So English descriptive will be there for the for these streams. Again, 100 marks, 60 minutes, 30% cutoff, weightage 1/3. There is a weightage concept over here. So paper 1, paper 2, there are weightage, and paper 1 is having 1/3 weightage, paper 2 is having 2/3 weightage. Again, this is a descriptive paper, so 100 marks, 60 minutes, 30% cutoff. When it comes to general stream, multiple choice questions regarding the commerce, accountancy, management, finance, costing, companies at economics, just like a phase 1, but the level will be a bit difficult. Again 100 marks, 90 minutes, 40% cutoff, 2/3 weightage is there. If you are from the specialist background, obviously legal stream, 70 multiple choice questions will be there and 3 descriptive questions for the legal stream. So in legal stream there will be a descriptive question scenario also there. Okay, so for every stream they mention what can be the paper, and paper किस तरीके से रहेगा. Information technology, coding test language, C++, Java, Python. Then research stream they already talked about drafting skills in economics, financial market, statistics. Then official language stream they literally mention everything regarding what they want in the language. वहां पे ट्रांसलेशन भी रहेगा, अनुवाद रहेगा. देन इंजीनियरिंग स्ट्रीम, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस इन दैट वे दे हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट. इलेक्ट्रिकल बैकग्राउंड, सो दैट विल बी द phase 2 criteria. Again the weightage aggregate cutoff will be 50%, paper 1 30%, paper 2 40%, and aggregate should be 50% for the phase 2. That is really very important. Now afterwards they talked about another thing. Negative marking will be of course there, like 1/4 negative marking, like the phase 1. Now we'll come to the phase 3 and that is interview. So after phase 2, obviously they are going to qualify some students. So they mentioned that application fee shall not be refunded to the candidates not shortlisted in phase 2 and interview. Candidate may opt for the interview either in Hindi or English. The weightage of the marks obtained in the phase 2 will be 85%, while the marks obtained in the interview shall be 15%. However, due weightage up to maximum 3.75 that is 3.75 of 100 marks will be given to candidates applicable only for legal engineering electric stream, will relevant to post qualification experience mentioned above. Okay, because they talked about experience. So for legal and engineering electrical, if you are having the experience, then 3.75 marks will be added. Otherwise for other streams, for general or for other streams, this criteria is not there. So remember that, very very important. इसलिए desirable experience ये point mention किया गया था जो जरूरी है. Now interviews weightage कि अगर बात की जाए इंटरव्यू, अगर ओवरऑल इंटरव्यू की बात करते हैं, सो इंटरव्यू 75% weightage, 11.25 marks, and relevant post qualification experience which I have mentioned only for electrical and the legal stream. So 3.75 marks will be there. ओवरऑल अगर phase 2 phase 3 की बात करें तो 85% weightage to the phase 2 and 15% weightage to the interview which is mentioned by the SEBI in its notification. Okay, and after that there will be obviously the document verification, and then there will be selection criteria, and that is mentioned by them. Now service conditions: probation successful candidate recruited for the post office officer grade A shall undergo probation for 2 years. So 2 years probation which is mentioned by the SEBI. Another important factor, pay scale. The grade A 44,500 that will be the initial pay scale which get increased up to 89,150 17 years. So huge pay scale, no doubt about that. Very handsome job and very good job profile. इसके अलावा लीव फेयर कंसेशन, मेडिकल एक्सपेंसेस, आई रिफ्रैक्शंस, नॉलेज अपग्रेडेशन अलाउंसेस, ब्रीफ केस, कन्वेंस एक्सपेंसेस, हाउसिंग, क्लीनिंग अलाउंसेस, स्टाफ फर्निशिंग, scheme for purchasing computers, subsidized lunch facilities, all those things, and accommodation. Okay, accommodation will subject to availability in every city, respective city, and postings. The incumbent may posted and transferred any locations like SEBI mentioned, so which we already saw. So this is the whole criteria of the SEBI's notification, the main criteria. So exam will be on the end of the July, which we have saw on the initial phase. So on the 27th of July, phase 1 will be there, and the phase 2 will be on the 31st of August. So get ready. Already आपकी पढ़ाई अच्छी चल रही होगी. Very soon I will come up with some other sessions regarding the SEBI's whole syllabus pattern, what to read, what not to read, the time frame which we have, because a very less time frame. So what kind of things we should focus on. So I will come up with a proper detailed discussion about that, and small videos regarding those sections I will come up with you. Okay, that's all guys from my side for the day. We'll see you in the next session. Keep watching Textbook Super Coaching, and just best of luck for you guys.